Globally, one of the most challenging and underutilized green energy sources is ocean energy. It is estimated that the energy of ocean waves around the U.S. alone could produce 2.64 trillion kilowatts of electrical power per year. What if we could harness even a portion of this boundless green energy? One of the main problems is how to capture an extremely variable oscillatory form of motion and convert it into the constant rotation needed to drive an electrical generator. The Suddaby piston Paul chain device addresses these problems using the simple mechanical elegance of a bicycle, a machine whose efficiency is unmatched by virtually any other human invention. By design, this device can be placed in existing piers, breakwalls, or jetties to capture energy 24 hours a day, every day. Pure energy from the ocean, as simple and efficient as riding a bicycle.